Ever wondered how Bitcoin ETFs can transform the crypto market? First off, what's an ETF? Think of it as a basket holding multiple assets, like stocks, bonds, or, in our case, Bitcoins. When you buy shares of a Bitcoin ETF, you're essentially investing in Bitcoin without dealing with the complexities of wallets or exchanges. ETFs bring a wave of new investors into the crypto world. Institutions, retirement funds, and average folks can now easily invest in Bitcoin. This influx of capital can skyrocket Bitcoin's demand and, in turn, its price. Bitcoin ETFs not only impact Bitcoin, but the entire crypto market. When Bitcoin rises, it creates a positive sentiment across the crypto space, and other cryptocurrencies often follow Bitcoin's lead, amplifying the market's bullish trend. In essence, Bitcoin ETFs democratize crypto investments, making them accessible to the masses. They create a snowball effect, boosting Bitcoin's price and fostering a bullish atmosphere in the crypto market. Happy investing!